GlideRecord. So which you might have used, right?
GlideRecord for tables gliding.
You have used it, right? So it will be easy for me then. So basically, what is GlideRecord? If we talk about GlideRecord, so it's like basically the database query or SQL query. All right. So we used to learn under database select this XYZ from table this, right? So similarly, it is GlideRecord. If we are writing any SQL query, similar way in ServiceNow, how you will utilize SQL query. So that is GlideRecord. So on
Okay.
backend, it will work similar way on old traditional way, but on front end, we will get these details.
Hmm.
So here we will see SQL query, similar way like how we used to do query in SQL, like select a star from table name, right? Select a specific table name from this table and we will get the value, right? So similar way we can use GlideRecord in ServiceNow, basically on front end. We can use GlideRecord and under add query is like we are doing some conditional check on column side, and then based on those conditional thing we are querying a specific record and we are getting the record from that specific conditions which is applied, and this will execute our server side script incident.query. It is then returning the data for us. So this way we can write GlideRecord for any table in ServiceNow. And a glide record generally takes place when you have to update any other table record from a specific table, right? Or you have to check some conditional thing based on your child task. So you can write a glide record for that. And for that purpose, most of the time the glide record is used. As mentioned, it executes on server side. Glide record is should be utilized under server side only. Although we can write in client script also, but it is not recommended as part of best practice. And now how you can create a glide record query. So first part is like we have to create a glide record object, right? Where a glide record object equal to new glide record and the table name. And then we have to build the query condition like add query. And then we have to execute the query like a dot query object dot query. And then the logic we can apply, like we can use while loop if we have to access to every record, and if we are checking only condition, then we can utilize if statement there. Okay, based on that script will query the database and you will see we are getting two records here based on specific conditions. So this is the step one, how you will create an object for glide record for a specific table. So first one is like syntax, common syntax, and second is like we are querying change request table, right?
Yeah.
So this way we will create the object, and this way we will write the query like object dot add query. So we can add multiple checks there, like category is hardware, priority is not equal to 1. So it should not be priority 1 and category should be hardware. So
Yeah.
based on this condition, the script will execute. So if we come on step 3, we will query this record with specific conditions. So as soon as we do dot query, That means we are executing the query on a specific table.
Yes.
So on query, you will return some records. So if you use while record, you can access all the records. If you use if a statement, first record you will get and it will come out of the statement. So here we can see we can process the returned record with a script logic. If, while, right? And we have while you already know what while does, what if does.
Yeah.
And we have has next thing in ServiceNow. This is ServiceNow inside methods. So what it will do is like it will get through with returned records and determine if there are any more records. Has next means it will check whether if we are having multiple records or not within that specific table with the use of specific conditions. Okay.
Okay.
So it will just verify whether we are having more data or not inside our table. So here we have written all steps together. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So first is we have a created object. Second is we have created the condition. Third is we have querying the table. And fourth, we are executing we are processing the data, whatever is returned as part of GlideRecord. Okay.
Okay.
We have add or condition here. So what if suppose we have to make our condition working as part of or condition. So previously we have seen that will work as an and condition. Okay. But if we have to execute as or condition our add query, so we can create an object. We will do add query, and in that object itself we will do or condition. Okay. So how condition will look like? You will see select star from change request where category equal to hardware or priority not equal to 1. Okay. So basically you can write this way or you can write this way also. Add query dot add or condition. These are two ways of writing or condition.
Okay.
Okay, so it is very easy. When you do the dot walking, I will give the suggestion for doing that. You understood?
Yeah.
And condition or condition.
Yeah. Got it.
Now we have get method. So get method is basically we are getting the object of a specific live record. Okay. So just like this, we are getting current dot parent incident. So we can directly get the record. So we can use my object dot get directly. Okay. Without querying anything. Okay. Because we have to just get the record and update some value. We can use this thing.
Yeah. Prashant, the fourth line में my object dot u underscore rc equals to true. मतलब ये check कर रहा है क्या condition?
This is not checking actually. So this is setting the value.
Okay.
RCA means root cause analysis.
Right.
And this is custom field.
Okay.
That's why it is showing as u underscore. If it is
Okay,
out of the box, yeah, if it is out of the box field, then it will be only RCA.
Okay.
Not u underscore RCA. Okay. And why we are doing this? Because we are executing the query for a single record. Then only this thing will work. Get thing. Get a specific record and update a specific field.
Okay.
For this, you can update multiple values. Value you can update any number of value for a specific record, but not for multiple record. Okay.
Okay.
Mostly this will be coming as part of validation or some updation on based on a specific condition. Then this part will come. Okay.
Right.
Add encoded query. Encoded query is very interesting one. So I will show you what encoded query means is like. It is like suppose we have filter condition under our incident problem, right? So using that, we can copy the query and we can add that directly under encoded query. Encoded query is like whatever it is generated out of the box or a condition and condition, and it will be displayed like this. So you don't have to write multiple times, add query. Okay.
Yeah.
So on a single line, you will add this thing and it is very easy. I will show you how this is done. And now class inherited from GlideRecord. Yeah. So what is GlideRecord secure? Secure is like we have GlideRecord. It is a basic GlideRecord where if you query any table, ACL will not apply. Okay.
Okay.
But when you try to use GlideRecord secure, so whatever ACL is applied on that record, that will apply while doing a script.
Okay.
Okay, that is GlideRecord secure. And this will be not utilized much, but if you can try or practice, you can do the practice for that. Okay, it will work similarly, but only difference is GlideRecord secure will apply your ACL also. If suppose you don't have access to specific record, then you will not see that record under GlideRecord. Okay.
Okay.
But in normal GlideRecord, you will see that record.
Okay.
Okay. So quickly, I will show you the demo also. Similarly, background script only I will utilize, and I will open one table also so as to verify whether we are getting right data or not. Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is multiple methods are there. If we do add active query, it will show only active incident. Okay.
Okay.
And I will use basic query like this. Then we have to define some condition here. Like what I will do, active equal to true. Okay. Now, third step is obj dot query. Third is we can execute. We can process the record. How we have to do. Gs dot. Let's see what this output will come. So this is the fourth step which we need to follow, basic steps. And now I will run this script. So why it is written object GlideRecord? Because I am only getting the object, not any field, right?
Yeah.
As soon as I will add obj dot number, so it will show me the incident number for each record. Right?
Yeah.
And suppose if we have to verify whether we got the right output or not, we can do gs.info here also, obj.get row count. Okay. So there are 41 incident. Okay. And now we will see whether we are right or not. These are all incident, but we are getting their active incident, right?
Yeah.
So active is true. You will see the 41 records. Similar records are here present, right?
Yes.
And now what I want to show you also is AND condition and OR condition, right? So let me open this record and I will check for a state. So I have to get the database value so that I can check for a state, right?
Yeah.
Value for in progress is 2. So we will write one more condition here, obj dot add query.
Add query.
So now what will be the result? What should be the result actually? So this is AND condition, right? 22 records.
22.
We got 22, right?
Mm.
And these are the incidents which are having this active true and state in progress incidents. Okay.
Yeah.
You can verify also 2, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. 8. Okay, let me do in sequence. So you can see 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, right?
Yeah.
You will find it.
Yes.
And now, okay. Right. So this is the way for our OR query, right?
Add or condition. Yes.
Add OR condition and that's it.
OBJ भी हट जाएगा add or condition.
हाँ वो भी हटेगा. So now I will get 41 because I have added OR condition.
Both condition, yes.
Right. So I will show you that also. Currently this is AND. All of these conditions must be met. Now let me remove this. I will add OR condition here. State in progress. Now I will run. I will get 41 here. Okay. Now I have mentioned you AND OR condition. Now I will show you what I will show you. Encoded query.
Encoded query.
Okay. So let me build some good condition here. Active true. Priority is 2. Priority is 1. And state is in progress. And category is software. Okay. These are 4 conditions. We have got 5 records. Okay. Now, how many times we have to do add query? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Instead of that, we will use encoded query and we will copy the query from here. Right click on this filter. Okay, copy query. I will click on query. It is copied, right? Now obj dot
Add encoded query.
We will provide braces and we will add that. So it is added condition. Okay.
Yeah.
See. 15, 18, 51, 52, 55. Similar record is there.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
So this way you can utilize GlideRecord. Okay.
Yeah.
And let me check to apply GlideRecord secure. It will also return more or less same record because I am the admin person. So I have all the access.
Yes.
So it will not apply any ACL because that would be admin override, right? You might have known that admin override thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, this way you can practice. If you want to practice GlideRecord secure, so you can practice from other user, not from your user ID.
Right.
In PDI, like from ITIL user if you execute, but you will not be able to get background script for any other user apart from admin. Okay. So you can only test based on admin, but as soon as we will move to our business rule, then you can practice lot of things. Okay.
Yes.
So currently, why it was necessary? You have seen whether it is important or not. Glide system, GlideRecord, right? You should know first the method and API. Then only you can work on GlideRecord or business rule. Right?
Yes.
That's why I explained you this.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think these are very much for today.
Yeah.